For my presentation, I chose how to apply lean principles to redesign Lion Financial Services call center. Brief history of lean process improvement. It's been around for centuries, and current principles are derived from Toyota's manufacturing processes from the 1980s, such as just-in-time inventory. Lean methods are different than Six Sigma, even though they're sometimes intertwined. Six Sigma creates value through eliminating variance, and Lean creates value through process improvements. So how does a manufacturing process improvement methodology impact a financial services call center? Other industries have realized efficiency gains from translating Lean principles to their business functions. What Lean principles would benefit Lion Financial Services in their call center redesign? My recommendations would include the following Lean principles. The first one is standardizing procedures so that all the call center agents are using the same set of guidelines, and that's going to eliminate wide variances each time somebody calls a customer service phone number. And it would also ensure compliance issues, since Lion Financial Services is in a very highly regulated industry. You don't want unlicensed agents giving stock advice or mutual fund advice. The next one would be eliminating loopbacks, or in this case, callbacks. And this would fall on the agents to provide exceptional customer service so that the customer doesn't have to call back. The next principle would be balancing loads, and this could be done through the use of call center automation to effectively distribute the call volume between agents and locations, and also through an enhanced scheduling format that would use historical and projected call volume data so that you have enough staff to answer any incoming volume. The next principle would be segregating complexity, and this just would be an example of the simplest call types, the quick line calls going to the newest agents, and the more complex calls, or calls from high priority clients or brokers, and they should be handled by more senior agents. And if a call type is very complex and requires a lot of time to handle, it may be beneficial to divide the complex task into multiple segments. The last principle I would implement, it would be posting performance, and this is just so that agents would understand the incoming workflow and it's displayed, as well as their metrics reviewed with a supervisor on a regular basis. And for my discussion questions, I'd like to ask the following two questions. What lean principles would you utilize in forming your call center redesign recommendations? And the second one is radical changes can sometimes have a negative effect on employee morale and productivity. Would you implement your recommended changes in stages or all at once? Thank you.